Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 Wi-Fi error unable to connect this network. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters and run the internet connection. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type ncpa.cpl. After doing this step, select a Wi-Fi network adapter, right click on diagnosis. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the search in the start menu, go to your settings of your Windows, click on network and internet. After doing this step, go to your Wi-Fi. After doing this step, go to your manage known networks. Click on forget. Go back once again. Click on manage. Click on show network available networks. Click on next, connect to continue. Enter your security code. Click next to continue. And close it. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.